Good morning to everyone. This is Wilhelmina Ford, the extension of the seller that who produce gold in West Africa, such as Conakry, Guinea, Bamako, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Now, let us explain first the price of gold today, March 27, 2025. The price of gold today is at 3,055 per ounce. In dollars term is 98,231.58. That is refined. Now you are not buying refined because refined belong to the central bank. Refined belong to the refinery that they also transact business, buy and sell. Now you are buying unrefined, which is Doribar. Now the price of Doribar today is $90,000 per kilo. Why? Regardless of the price on the world market, our selling price will be in a less 8%, equivalent to 90,000. This is tax included. You're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, what carats and the purity? 22K plus the most important is the purity from 96, 97, 98 plus. So it varies from bar to bar. Now, on 21K is $85,000 per kilo. On 18 carats, 73.65 per kilo. And 14K, $57,000.32. But don't worry, I will put the price on this video. On every video, there is a price and the procedure. I always put so that you will understand that gold business is for the elite international buyer. If you're a small gold trader, make sure that you have a standby $1 million in your bank account or $800,000 in your bank account, because this is not CIF cost insurance and freight. This is FOB bank to bank. Now, you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, assist me. Yes, I'm here to assist you. I am your business facilitator at the same time. I'm the extension of the seller. I'm the one who handle your inquiry. I'm the one who promote Africa. Now you are searching gold everywhere. You're searching gold on LinkedIn. You're searching gold on YouTube channel. You're searching gold on Facebook platform. Wilhelmina is here. Wilhelmina's platform on Facebook, you can find the procedure and the price and the pictures. A picture, there is a message so that you would understand, so that you would register on back of your head that this is not an ordinary business. Most of the joker broker thinking that you can make money, you can collecting information. You collect information from Wilhelmina because when you search on YouTube, my video pop up into your phone. Now let us talk about these buyers that have a problem right now. Just a moment. There is a buyer right now in Mali, in Ghana, in Sierra Leone, Conakry, and Nairobi. So they are encountering disaster. I'm going to itemize. There was a consultant from Norway, and they encounter problem in Bamako, Mali. When he was searching on YouTube channel, he bumped into my video. And he come for conference on WhatsApp. The problem with this gentleman, this consultant, he already watched the video and he already read the full corporate offer, but he doesn't know how to introduce himself. And he sent me a message and he said hi. So I replied to him, my name is not Hi. How did you get my number? And he said, I searched on YouTube, I found your video. So I interviewed him properly, direct to the point. How long you been searching for gold? Oh, madam, we have a problem. Okay. What is your problem? We went to Bamako, Mali, and we purchased 35 kilos of gold. And he was being given undervalued. He was given, I think he was given $60,000. So while I interviewed him thoroughly, I asked direct question, and he complained that my questioning to him is very harsh. And I told him, you're a consultant, you should know your job. You come to Wilhelmina, I interview you, I have to know who you are. In the first place, you don't know how to introduce yourself. When I look at his profile on WhatsApp, he is a financial consultant. So I told him, I think you're just wasting your time talking to Wilhelmina because you don't know how to introduce yourself. I used to be in real estate. When the buyer come to our office, when I used to work with the company, I always interviewed the buyer thoroughly. My question on the first meeting with the buyer when he buy property, have you been to the bank? Because you have to borrow money in the bank. And what is your savings? Your pattern of savings. How much your savings in your bank account? It is 20 or 30%. This is my question when I was on real estate. And what location are you looking for? How many bedroom you are looking for? Are you working? How many children you have? Are you working full-time or part-time? So that is the kind of interview during the time when I was working on the company as a negotiator. I negotiate big development. I list the property belong to the vendor, and I put that online because here in Australia, everything now is online. I was the one who introduced this to the world. I was the one who put Africa on the world map. Now let's talk about these buyers that have problem. He went to Bamako, Mali, and he paid taxes. Okay, and when he paid taxes, the export documentation is not complete. So the gold was being shipped via Nairobi, bound for Dubai. So what happened when the gold transit into that particular airport, because they want to hand carry. So when I asked this financial consultant that how much did you pay for the tax? Because in Mali, the tax is 7%. So he said he paid 200,000, I think. That was he mentioned yesterday. So when I was asking question, why you want my help? You already been to Conakry, Bamako, Mali. And he said, Madam, I need your expertise. I said, really? Do you need sales? I said, well, it depends. So I need your help. So it's a red flag already. So I said to him, you need to be honest because I don't have time to waste my time talking to you. So he was being asked to bribe $100,000 on that particular airport. The custom asked him 100,000 bribery because his gold was not complete and he didn't pay the gold in full. He only pay taxes. So, he arrived in Dubai. The gold didn't arrive because his gold was stuck. Because when you hand carry the gold, you will re-inspect again. When you board the plane, all the things of the passenger must go on the X-ray machine. So the custom find out the metal box, and the custom asked, where are the paperworks? The paperwork was not complete, and the buyer didn't pay in full. The receipt was not stated. So the custom question. So now what happened? This consultant from Norway, he asked my help. So my response to him, I am not here to help anybody. You are the one who created your problem. My policy is completely different. When I travel with the buyer, I make sure that the buyer understand. And I make sure when I take the buyer to Mali, Sierra Leone, Conakry, make sure that the buyer has really standby fund into his bank account. Now, Mr. Buyer, this is direct to the point. When you buy gold, you need to produce, to show your business registration if you're gonna buy from us, your importation license, your passport copy, the proof of fund that you have $1 million standby in your bank account, and anti-money laundering certificate. So the seller didn't explain to him. So when I told him what necessary requirement that the seller provided you, Madam, they only give us one piece of paper certificate. I told him it's wrong. You must have an asset report. You must have a certificate of clearance that you have paid the gold. Then you will get the ownership of the gold, that you have paid the gold, plus custom clearance. Maybe they smuggled it, because why? The custom intercepted the 35 kilos. The 35 kilos was not fully paid because they promised that the seller will get the long-term contract. And I said to this consultant, you deceive yourself and you deceive your buyer. His buyer is from Dubai. His buyer paying his services. Can you imagine that? And he come to Wilhelmina live video call conference. In the beginning, he refused to open his camera. And I told him, it's a red flag to me. If you don't open your camera, you already saw me on my YouTube channel. And why are you scared? So therefore, it's a red flag. So he said to me, you're very tough, Mrs. Ford. I like to deal with you. I said, oh, really? So when I asked a tough question, he said that his gold is stranded. Oh. So now, international buyer, whether you go to Ghana, whether you go to Kampala, whether you go to Nairobi, Tanzania, Congo, Mali, Sierra Leone, Conakry, the procedure is exactly the same. You have to pay the gold to the owner of the gold, bank to bank, in order to reflect the cash inflow. When you transfer the payment, it would register to the owner of the gold in his bank account that you did pay the gold, so that the seller can apply certificate of clearance that you paid the gold, because your payment will reflect into the cash inflow. Meaning to say, the seller will remit the tax. In Mali, as mentioned a while ago, the tax is 7%. In Conakry, 6.5%. In Sierra Leone, exactly the same. In Ghana, they have a different tax bracket. That is normal. Gold is taxable. Gold has the value. So therefore, you cannot buy gold to pay taxes only. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax in order for the seller to remit that to his country that he sold the gold to you. So if you don't have the fund and you think that you can get the gold, bring it to Dubai, you will pay the seller after final assay. To me, you're a red flag. You are going to leverage that 35 kilos. That buyer, he already tried to smuggle it. When he tried to smuggle it, his gold was being intercepted. Why? Because his paperwork is not complete. Yes, and the custom asked him to bribe $100,000. So why are you going to bribe $100,000 if your paperwork is complete? Meaning to say, this consultant didn't perform. He is a financial consultant. He should know that. He must gather the seller's vital information. So I told him that. I'm sorry, I'm not here to solve your problem. I am not a babysitter. I only babysit my client, our client, when the client meet the criteria. Now, Mr. Buyer, this is how you're gonna do. Listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe and make a comment. Click below. Give me the thumb if you understand. If you don't understand, at least you learn that gold is not for everyone. You have to read it. If you went to school, you have to digest it properly, whether you meet the criteria or not. There is no such person who provide vital knowledge about gold business. Diamond, exactly the same. You have to pay. There is a process. Now, in diamond, you cannot take the diamond out of the country without Kimberley certificate. That the diamond is free of illegal activities. That diamond is free of blood diamond. So the seller has to secure Kimberley certificate when you make the payment. Now you're gonna be scared. Oh, why should I make a payment? I'm afraid the seller might scam me. This is how you do. If you use Wilhelmina services, you make your reservation of gold or diamond. You inspect that. You buy your gold analyzer and you buy as well your diamond analyzer in order for you to make sure that you purchase diamond properly. Make sure you purchase the diamond, real diamond. Okay? Now I'm explaining both buyers and seller. The seller has to show his diamond properly. Now when you come to the office, the government valuator will come to evaluate the stone. Then the government valuator, he will price the gold. He will price the diamond. So there is always room for negotiation when you will be invited to come to the office. Now let's talk about gold. How many quantity you want to secure, Mr. Buyer? If you want to buy gold from us, there is a minimum. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. If you are looking for 1 kilos, you better find seller that offer you 1 kilo. And do not send money to Africa unless you're gonna be on the ground. Because once you send money to Africa to pay taxes, you would never get the gold. And the seller who offer you cheap price is going to switch off his phone. He already got your money and he would not process the paper because the government would not give him certificate because you only pay taxes. You have to pay the gold so that the seller can mobilize because there is a cost. Gold is not for free. Don't think about that the gold will come to you. Wouldn't. There is a cost, there is a process. Now, in our policy, minimum at least 20 kilos or 10 kilos. I can squeeze, but you need to convince Wilhelmina. Now, after you listen to this video, send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof upon your bank statement that you have $1 million standby in your bank account. Don't be scared because no one will steal your fund. Or you send me a copy of anti-money laundering certificate that your fund is clean. If you're gonna bring the gold to Dubai, Dubai has changed. You cannot transfer money to Africa because Africa is also a red flag of gold laundering and money laundering. Most of the criminal using to buy gold in order to clean their money. Their money might be coming from illegal activities like drug proceed. So you need to make sure that you produce anti-money laundering certificate, because when you transfer the payment from your bank account to Africa, your bank manager will ask you, why are you going to transfer money in Africa? So you need to produce that your money is clean, and you need to give us a copy so that when you transfer the payment, because the bank in Africa will also question the seller. Who is this person transferring $1 million? So then the seller will show that he is expecting payment from the particular person, the value of $1 million or more. So that certificate of clearance will show that the buyer, his money is clean, that the seller expecting $1 million from that particular buyer. So the seller will inform his bank that he's expecting more than $1 million. Here is the anti-money laundering certificate coming from the buyer. Now, why I see this? I have the buyer that he did apply anti-money laundering certificate. He was given, it took him 3 months to apply. So now if you're watching this video, Mr. Buyer, apply now, whether you are in Europe, whether you are in Germany or Istanbul. You need to apply a money laundering certificate from your end. You can apply that online. I am sharing you the most vital information. Any joker broker, I call them joker broker, they don't care about you. They only think about their commission. We don't pay double commission anymore. I prefer to deal direct to the buyer. Instead, we will give the buyer room for negotiation. Now, Mr. Buyer, regardless of the world market price, our selling price less 8% tax included, except you pay the shipping cost, except you need to insure the gold when we ship the gold to your destination. What happened if the gold was being stolen? So you are not secured. It's better you insure that. Now, if you are from Dubai, use Emirates or use G4S. If you have an account, there's no Brinks in Conakry. Brinks is only in South Africa. There's so many good shipping agents. G4S is the best. Sky Cargo, Emirates Sky Cargo is the best. So you need to have an account. If you are from Dubai, you talk to Sky Cargo or G4S that you are buying gold from Africa. So the G4S, they will charge you their handling fee. You need to ask G4S or Sky Cargo how much they charge for insurance on the total sale value. The seller would not explain to you. Any consultant would not accept, would not advise like this. I am advising you, Mr. Buyer. So you gain more knowledge from Wilhelmina. I'll give you my background again. On my previous video, I stated that I used to be in real estate. I have experience in marketing, selling and buying exactly the same. You have to pay for it. Gold is not for free. Gold is not for credit. This is cash business, bank to bank. That is why make sure when you buy gold, make sure you have $1 million, more $1 million, or $800,000 or $900,000, because you wouldn't get the gold. And if you're gonna say, oh, I want to travel to Sierra Leone, oh, I want to travel to Conakry, I just want to window shop, go for it, because no one will entertain you if you are not well prepared. Now, on our case, Wilhelmina will gather vital information from you so that I would position your order. I would collect all your vital information, Mr. Buyer. You need to send me a copy of your business registration, your address, your email, your telephone number, importation license. I mentioned that already a few seconds ago. You need to comply that. Without that, I wouldn't believe you. I wouldn't believe you. And I don't want to entertain buyers already on the ground. Meaning to say, you already encountered disaster. Meaning to say, you've been searching for a cheap price and you didn't qualify. It's happening. Buyer went to Sierra Leone, buyer went to Ghana. What happened? Disaster. Don't ask me gold about Ghana because I don't handle Ghana. Gold in Ghana is smuggled, it coming from Cameroon, coming from Liberia, coming from Congo. They bring it border to border. So don't ask me, Madam, I'm here in Ghana, I need a gold. I'm sorry. I don't entertain Ghana anymore. Today in Ghana, there are 14 refineries. They are searching for gold. They cannot even find the gold. Gold is scarcity at the moment. Can you imagine? The price of gold is 3,055 already. Today is March 27. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, how much is the price? You're not paying attention because I'm going to put the price of the gold from 24 carats to 10 carats. There is a price. We don't sell 24 carats because that is refined. We don't sell gold bullion. You can only get 24 carats when you refine. Now, you are buying Dory Bar here. The Dory Bar, the purity is from 96, 97, 98. 98.5. It depends on bar to bar. So that is the reason why you need to invest. You buy gold analyzer. You can purchase that online. There's an analyzer worth $10,000. You invest that. Don't think that you can just go to Africa. You can get the gold cheap because you want to get the profit. You will get the profit when you have a capital. You need to invest. You are buying investment item. Gold is the world asset you're buying. Now, Mr. Buyer, I'm going to put the very extensive full corporate offer on this video. Time to time, you visit my platform on Facebook because I updated the price. Now, a while ago, the price was $3,055 per ounce. In dollars time is 98,231.58. On 22 carats is $90,000. 22 plus carats. The purity is from 96, 97. The value is $90,000 today. Today is Thursday. So next week, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,500. So now, Mr. Buyer, instead of dealing with different chain of middlemen, why not talk to Wilhelmina? Wilhelmina will guide you. Yes, I'm meeting the buyer in Dubai. I'm flying to Dubai. The buyer meet the criteria. So if you are from Dubai, download Botim. I want to meet you live video call. Don't hide your face, because if you don't open your camera, meaning to say you are a red flag to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is a red flag. Wilhelmina, here, this is my office and this is my home base office. I only receive your order. I will receive your order. I will interview you. When you meet the criteria, then your information, I will send it to the head office that I validated you. Then I will advise the seller, let us proceed. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, is there any room for negotiation? Yes, there is. You just convince Wilhelmina. Now, I am charging you my extra service to assist you to Conakry, to assist you in Mali, to assist you in Sierra Leone. I'm not going to travel to that particular country just for you. You need to invest. You need to have a capital. And if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold, the buyer already paid my services. So you are lucky to meet this lady on my YouTube channel. I have different videos. You make sure that you watch the current video because I updated the price time to time. Now, I'm going to have a look on the price. Okay? Just bear with me. Okay? Because the price it fluctuates. Okay? Okay, the price of gold is per ounce is 3,049.74. In dollars term is 98,081.57. So don't worry because the price of gold it fluctuates. The most important, when you convince Wilhelmina, the price instead of 90,000, we will reduce it because you are paying my extra service. Then you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, how much is your extra? I do charge $20,000. Why? The $20,000, it covers my travel cost to be with you from the beginning to the end. So if you cannot afford $20,000, therefore you cannot afford to pay the gold. Because this is $1 million. Now on 20 kilos, 90,000 times 20. That is already 1,800,000. That 1,800,000 can be reduced because you are paying my extra. I am going to renegotiate the price for you. Instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 12 or 13%. I have to ask the head office that let us give the buyer 12 or 13% regardless of the world market. Now, Mr. Buyer, bank now because there is a tendency that the price will turn to 3,000 to 4,000 end of this year. If you don't have a capital, your business would not function. If you're a jewelry manufacturer, you're looking for cheap price, and then you requested to bring gold to you, the gold will not come to you. There is now a new policy in Africa. Africa is now awakening. The government would not allow their property to leave the country of origin without full payment. Most of the seller try to smuggle. They offer you pay taxes. Do not be involved on that. Just like this guy, he's a consultant that his buyer from Dubai didn't get the gold. Another gentleman is from Africa. He live in Finland. He purchased gold in Sierra Leone, exactly the same, 35 kilos, and then the seller put another 5 kilos to make it 40, and he paid taxes. What happened? His gold was being confiscated in Nairobi, and he spent $200,000. Even though he spent $200,000, the gold was not given to him. He lost money. So I said to this gentleman from Finland, why did you consider that? You know that gold is money. Oh, madam, because I have limited cash. So the seller put extra 5 kilos out of 35, so make it 40. So when the custom in Nairobi opened, where are the documentation? The documentation was only 35, and how come on the metal box is for 40 kilos? So what happened? Lost money. Another guy, he's from France. We issued him the landing visa, and he was also window shopping, not knowing he signed a contract. Not knowing he also signed a contract, he flew to Mali. Another 35 kilos, he paid taxes. The seller and him fly together, transit in Ghana airport. This buyer sent me a message, a disturbing message. Disturbing message on WhatsApp. Madam, I'm here in Ghana airport. I need your help. I said, why? What is the problem? Madam, my gold was been seized. I said, why it was been seized? Because, madam, the seller didn't realize that the seller has to comply full export documentation. He was being asked ECOWAS certificate. Mali was a member of ECOWAS. Recently, Mali get out from ECOWAS. So during the time when Mali was a member, the seller must provide ECOWAS certificate that the seller did declare to the ECOWAS agency that he's going to export to you. Now, Sierra Leone is a member of ECOWAS. Ghana is a member of ECOWAS. Conakry is a member of ECOWAS. You have to find out which country is a member of ECOWAS. Nigeria is a member. Sierra Leone, Mali, Burkina Faso, Conakry, and so forth. So those countries that member of ECOWAS, when you purchase gold, yes, the seller must provide. That is the reason why I always say to my seller, better prepare the ECOWAS from your government, because your government will question the buyer. So the seller, did the seller explain to you like this, Mr. Buyer? No. Nah. Did the consultant explain to you? No. Well, Lamina explained to you. You gain $1 million worth of knowledge. My $20,000 is peanuts. At the end of the day, you make profit. Yes, guaranteed you make profit. Now, end of this year, I'm going to increase my extra service, my service of $25,000. Previous year, I only charged the buyer $15,000 when I took him to Africa. Now we are now 2025, $20,000. 2026, $25,000. Why? The price of gold will goes up. So this gold business is not for joker broker. It's not. This is for the elite buyer. Elite buyer can buy, can afford to pay. And if you're just brokering, and you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna fail. And your buyer will be a failure. Mr. Buyer, instead of running around, why not talk to Elamina? Open your camera, I will interview you. If you're from Dubai, download Boting. Don't be scared. Because I would not meet anybody in Dubai unless I meet the buyer prior to my face-to-face meeting. I need to meet the buyer via Botim, because on the spot, I would know whether you're a real buyer or not. When I was in Dubai, how many buyer went to the hotel to meet me? Simple question, didn't give me the answer. They are just joker broker. They're just pretending to be a buyer. Bring the gold here in Dubai. We will pay after final assay. And I told this buyer, I think you're bullshitting. Gold will not come to you. Gold is money. No one is giving you money. You must remember, I told this joker buyer. There's a lot of joker buyer in Dubai. You must remember. I know. When I was in DMCC, someone noticed me, and this gentleman knows me. Hi, Wilhelmina, I know you. I said, where did you find me? Oh, I've been watching your YouTube channel. Can you imagine that? Now, if you really wanted gold, why not meet Wilhelmina face to face? Why not download Botim? Because Dubai, you cannot chat on WhatsApp. You cannot chat or live video call on Skype. You can only chat live video call on Botim. Why not? Why not download Botim? Talk to Wilhelmina. If you are really a businessman, your business would not function without the supply. There is a saying in economics. Supply and demand determine the price. Now, if you're asking CIF, you're gonna end into disaster. There's a saying again, ignorance of the law excuses nobody. You're gonna encounter disaster. Just like this buyer come to me, American, from Finland, from Norway, disaster. They think that they can travel to Africa, they can get gold cheap price. And when they search on YouTube and on Facebook, bingo, they found this lady. Mr. Buyer, you're lucky to meet me. Whoever you are, take time. Don't be scared. Wilhelmina is here for you. I will repeat again, Mr. Buyer. I am your business facilitator instead. At the same time, I'm the seller's extension. I know my seller. My seller produces gold. But my seller is very tough. A real seller would not give his gold cheap price. Would not. Only a scammer or cheater seller will give you undervalued. Now, I put everything here on this video, the price of the gold, and then click on the link, go on my platform on Facebook, because time to time I updated the gold price. Just search on Facebook Wilhelmina Ford. It appears my platform is huge. You know, Mr. Buyer, there's a lot of joker broker hates my guts. When they're gonna be rejected, they will say, oh, scam. I don't know how much I scam them. I even ask them, define me what is the meaning of scam. If you went to school, you should know the meaning. I'll give you the answer. I told this joker broker. On old version, you are cheating yourself. You deceive yourself. The seller will deceive you, and you are also deceiving yourself because of the price, because of the cheap price, meaning to say you are greedy. So at the end of the day, because you are greedy, the gold would not come to you. And do not keep the gold when you are on the ground. Do not keep the gold into your hotel, because the seller might call the police that you steal his gold. It's happened. So please, Mr. Buyer, listen to this woman. Listen to Mrs. Ford. Mrs. Ford is here with you. You are paying my services. And my $20,000 when I travel with you is non-refundable. You mean to say when I buy the ticket, the airline would not refund? You mean to say if I'll stay in the hotel would not refund the charges and the food? Think about it. You're a businessman. You're scared to lay out $20,000. The more I'm gonna scared to trust you. The more my seller would not believe you, because When I vouch you, my seller say, oh yeah, this buyer produced his credential, then you will receive the credential of the seller. You will receive the confirmation of your order. 20, 50, 100, 500. We will put that on the contract. You will receive the seller's mining license, export license, the company profile. We will exchange information. But before I'm going to release my seller's vital information, I will gather first your vital information. I will repeat again, a copy of your business registration. I want to see it. Your importation license, passport copy, proof of fund, your bank statement, the $12 million, and anti-money laundering certificate. Without that, I wouldn't believe you. Really. And do not send me an LOI, cut and paste. You need to be specified. Dear Wilhelmina, I found you on YouTube. We are the buyer. I hereby place my order. 20 kilos, 50 kilos. I need to buy Dory bar, which is unrefined. What carat are you looking for? We are not selling 24 carats because that is already refined. You are buying unrefined in order for you to refine into different uses, to make into jewelry, to make into wedding ring, to make into false teeth, and the spare parts on mobile phone and medical uses. So there's a lot of things that this Dory bar can make into different uses. Just go on my platform on Facebook. I showed a picture that I was inside the jewelry manufacturer. They refine the gold. I know the gold. I know the industry. So don't be a fool, Mr. Buyer, because I know when you come for conference, I might educate you properly. You are going to buy gold and bring it to Dubai to resell it to your own customer. I know. So don't be a fool. Be honest when I interview you. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here in Brisbane. Today is Thursday, March 27. The time here is 11 o'clock in your end, morning or afternoon. I shall see you. Listen to this video, subscribe, and click below and give me a thumb if you understand. If you don't understand, don't give me a thumb. Click and subscribe. Every time I updated the price, every time I upload the video. By the way, Mr. Buyer, during our interview is live when you call me. Live and automatically would be on my platform. Why I do this? I want the buyer to know that this is real business. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.